Today we are fixing this key fob. This is a very durable key fob, but this bottom loop does oftentimes break and then you can't keep your keys on it. So I've picked up this replacement case from Dove Hardware. Here's everything that comes with it. The case, the emergency button if you have one on the back here, and then also some screws and a little bottle opener. So let's get into it. You're also going to need a flat tip screwdriver. So first order of business is to open up the original case. Go ahead and put your key right there, twist and open. Now there's a little gasket that encompasses this circuit board. You may be able to just pull the whole thing out with your finger. Just like that. And you're going to want to reuse these buttons. So I'm going to go ahead and take these buttons out, put them in the new case. Alright, those are seated in nicely. Go ahead and drop this in. It's also a good time to go ahead and replace your battery. So this is what the new fob looks like. Looking pretty good. This back portion here, on the OEM, this is difficult to get out, so it comes with a new gasket and button. Okay, you can put your gasket together like this. There's a little indentation in the middle there, and there's a little nub on the bottom of this. Just go ahead and slide that in there and place it down like that. So now your panic button's all set. At this point we're going to put the bottle opener in. Go ahead and put that bottle opener in right there. Go ahead and put that on top. Let's get everything lined up. Let's put the screws in. And we're all swapped over. There's a new key fob. It's looking good. It's very sturdy. It's a nice upgrade. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button.